Monday the 12th of May is International Nurses Day, and I wanted to use the opportunity first of all to thank every nurse in Scotland and every midwife in Scotland for the tremendous work they do for the National Health Service, and also to congratulate you on the tremendous results you get for our patients. You know, the nurses and midwives are a vital part of any modern National Health Service. In Scotland, they are about 45% of all the people we employ. We could not look after our patients to anything like the safety standards or the quality standards that we do without the dedication, the compassion and the professionalism of our nurses and midwives. That's why, as the Cabinet Secretary for Health and Wellbeing, one of my priorities is, even despite the difficult financial situation we have, is to do what I can to help our nurses and midwives, first of all to get the tools they need to do the job, secondly to try through a new workforce tool to ensure that the number of staff, the mix of skills, is always there when necessary in whatever location to treat the patients needing the support from their nurses and their midwives. I'm not saying we'll always get that right, but we're certainly trying to get it right, and more effort's going into that than has ever gone into it. And we're employing in the National Health Service a record number of qualified nurses and midwives. And the results show, despite continuing pressures in some areas, undoubtedly the performance of the National Health Service in Scotland is extremely good indeed. And that's in no small measure due to the work that nurses do. Can I also say that it gave me particular pleasure to be able to approve the pay rise this year by the independent peer review body, because I believe that nurses deserve every penny they get, whether it's progression payment or a pay rise, and the same for midwives as well. So that's why I wanted to take the opportunity of International Nurses Day of recording not just my thanks or the thanks of the Scottish Government, but the gratitude of the Scottish people for the tremendous work that our nurses and midwives do. Everybody in Scotland has a tremendous amount of gratitude and goodwill for all our nurses and midwives, and on their behalf I want to thank each and every one of you for your tremendous support, for your professionalism, for your compassion and for your dedication. Thank you.